All I can taste is toilet brush. Ah!
Listen, Jake, I know this whole thing has been hard on you. First, you find out you're a dragon.
That's cool. It was the whole, by the way, you're responsible for protecting an entire magical underworld that's freaking me out.
Well, that's why it's so important for you to master your dragon powers. Believe me, I know your grandfather can be a bit eccentric, but you just have to trust him, okay?
When I think of all the times I fell in love, when I think of all the girls I was dreaming of, and I think of all the years who are to come, I love you better.
Hey, yo, Jake, wake up, dog. Don't even tell me you're still crushing on that Rhodes girl. She's so far out of your league, you don't even know.
Dude, she's like Tiger birding the 18th at Pebble Beach, and you're like 9-putting the windmill at Coney Island mini golf.
Man, forget her. We got serious business. They just reopened the 14th Street skate park. We gonna hit that.
Oh, sounds sweet, Tricks, but, you know, I gotta...
Dude, no, not working in the shop again. That's like the... This is 1, 2,
Wake
4.
up, Jake. That old dude is like stealing your youth, man.
I can't do it, Tricks. Sorry.
But I'm telling you, Jake, you missing out here.
Sign here.
Hurry up and get to training! Must use dragon teeth to scoop sludge out of Grandpa's rain gutter!
Yo, Trixie, Spud, wait up, guys!
Jake is 1 hour late for training. I got a bad feeling in the pit of my stomach.
Oh, you're telling me. But that's what we get for eating lunch at a place called the Chimichanga Chuck Wagon. Oh, hold down the fort, Pops, because nature's calling 911.
Jake, where are you? Something must be wrong.
How right you are. Dragon, we meet again.
It is always a pleasure to defeat you.
Forget it, old man. That net is pure Sphinx hair. Well, 1 dragon down, 1 to go.
Okay, Food Dog, just keep quiet. They'll never know you're in here.
Who's in there? Open up!
I really gotta stop talking to myself. Here goes nothing.
Yeah!
This is only like the best day ever!
Ah, this is the worst day ever. Lost in a sewer, no cell service. How come Lassie always made this getting help stuff look so glamorous?
Who dares to enter the lair of the one-eyed sewer troll?
Easy there, Tiger. I'm just... Dan Lipkowski? Is that you?
Booster? Hey! You're a sight for sore eye. What's it been, 200-300 years? What brings you down here?
Serious trouble, Stan. I gotta get to the East Village pronto.
Say no more. I know a shortcut under the zoo.
Sewer.
Oh, Jake, there you are. Hurry and wash up. Dad's clients are already here. Haley, little help, honey? Who's ready for mushroom caps?
Boo! Yo, dog, we do have a doggy door.
Kid, where were you?
Boo, I don't even want to hear it. Grandpa must be bugging if he thinks he's gonna make me clean his whole house with my...
You don't understand. You left me and Gramps waiting for you on the roof. We were setting ducks out there. When the huntsman showed up...
The huntsman? Where's Grandpa now?
Look, long story short, it ain't looking good for the old man.
This is all my fault.
We gotta go get help.
No, I've got to do this.